Hi everyone, and welcome to week 7 of Writing 111. That means we are nearly halfway through the semester and things are really starting to fly. So this week we're continuing to work on rhetorical analysis, and this week in terms of media, I've given you a chapter about synthesis and analysis to help you better understand the work that analysis is doing. You want to keep asking yourself when you're writing your rhetorical analysis, am I just summarizing or am I doing things with what I know to create analysis and synthesis? I also added a link to the APA style entry for how to cite web pages. We'll talk about this more in class, but this is what you're going to cite a good amount of time when you're making reference entries in APA style. So get familiar with this page, maybe even bookmark it. I have to look at it all the time and I use it regularly. I've also added some questions for rhetorical analysis that will help you, really get at what you're studying in terms of your landmark. And I provided another sample paper that we'll discuss in class. So this week we will engage in a large group workshop, and I'll add the paper here shortly. It's the same assignment that we worked on with the personal narrative. We're all going to respond to it by March 1st. You're also starting to interact with source material, and so by March 1st you should also find one source about your landmark, and you're going to cite it, give me a full reference entry, and then a half-page summary of the source, and that will be important to the writing of your paper. You might be able to take some of your summary and move it into your paper, so it's a productive step along the way. So this week I have to do another interview on Tuesday morning, and then that should be the end of the interview searches, fingers crossed. So I'm going to pivot our whole class to online on Tuesday. So please, everyone, have your computer and find a good internet signal and be ready to have your camera and your microphone turned on. But it was really hard for me to move from the interview back over to the face-to-face classroom in the morning last week. So hopefully this week being completely online will help with that problem. So I will not be in my office hours on Tuesday because I have to do more interviews, but I will have regular office hours on Thursday, and I am available by appointment on Monday and Wednesday of next week if you want to meet. Take care, everyone, and I'll look forward to reading more work from you soon.